Hi guys, today I will to talk about the manual of the emergency eyewash station. Are you ready for here? Oh, I think you're ready. Okay, let's start. Okay, why should this topic? Since we are studying in the Faculty of Sciences, Department of Chemistry, we have to go to the lab to do some experiment. Always study, so there be a chance that we will be exposed to chemical hazards, such as chemicals spreading in the outside. Why do experiment? Therefore, we should know how to act when exposed to chemical hazard to prevent potential hazards. And next, who did this for? People who need this device. I think scientists and chemical factory workers need it. Okay, the component of equipment. For example, system more easily with the one bucket. Cover keep the other debris from collecting in the brushes and noses area. At the last, equal value arrow easy dealing of the revolve after use. And the next, this is a symbol of emergency eyewash station. Before enter the lab, you must observe the sign before starting the experiment. When you get chemicals spat into the eye, you will be able to work. Then go to the emergency eyewash station.
I'm going to talk about installation first of all. This device should not be installed outside. The principle of installation is to measure the height from the floor 133 cm to 164 cm. Then make a place to hang the emergency eyewash, and then we bring the device to hang. Then put the liquid reservoir down to the end. Then move the touting wall to adjust it to be up like 90 degrees to the floor. Then put a badge on it so everyone can see this symbol and device. Next, let's talk about installing ink cartridge. The first step is to pull out the cover that covers the machine. Then open the cover, loosen the locking nut to loosen the lock. Then push the liquid reservoir outboard and lock it upside first. Then insert the ink cartridge into two impide slots. Then check whether the pipe is ready to connect to the machine or not. And then put the cover back in place. Then take the back rope apart and plug it into one key the lock both sides. Then close the lid back to the original place with both hands holding the extra back rope outside as well. Then at the end of the back rope, this is a hole. Hold the end of the back rope in the hole with machine and insert the nut to hold the cable in the hole and attach a question sticker on the device, and this is how to install the device.
Directions 1. The velocity of the water must be enough that there is no more harm to the user eye. The water must be continuously supplied to both eyes. 2. Water but full with time. 1 second after the valve is open and it continues to happen without the operator's hand until it is accidentally turned off. 3. If there is water in it, read the manufacturer instruction. If not, it is recommended to change the water every month. 4. Emergency eyewash must be easily and quickly accessible. It is no more than 30 meters or 100 feet from the risk point, and walker must be able to reach its victim 10 seconds. 5. The instruction point must be at the same level as the risk area. 6. The water temperature should be kept constant and should be between 15 to 35 Celsius.
Okay, this is how to use the emergency eyewash station. One, put the level lower to the area the water to floor. 2. Use the hand to spread your eyes so that the water flows through the eye continuously. 4. At least 5 minutes. 3. Immediately bring the victim who have been cleaned in to see the doctor to further diagnosis. 4. There should be an area to prevent wastewater not to flow into the natural water body.
Okay, next, I'm going to talk about inspection and maintenance safety precaution. First of all, when filled with flushing fluid, the funnel porta stream tube weighs approximately 150 pounds or 70 kilograms. Provide the necessary equipment or personnel to install or remove the filled funnel porta stream tube from the mounting bracket. Next, install the mounting bracket so the funnel porta stream tube is level. Next, read all warning notices on the spurious saline concentrate before mixing. Next, wear suitable eye protection and gloves when mixing the concentrate. And the last one, do not add any product or material to the solution of spurious saline concentrate and water. Next topic is maintenance. The first, a portable eye wash that should be checked regularly to see if the water flow is small and if it needs to be filled with water. Second, take the following measures to prevent contamination of the water tank. Add the appropriate antibacterial agent. Wash the water in the first bucket. Add the purified water and add the appropriate amount of antibacterial agent. And you should change the water at least once per month.
FAQ, frequently asked questions. Question 1. How do I perform tests on portable equipment? Answer. Similar to pump equipment, portable equipment might be checked every week. However, since there is less water and time to work with, a visual inspection will suffice. Question 2. How long should the contact area be clean or fast? Answer. The standard be capable of providing brushing liquid of a minimum of 15 minutes. However, another reference recommended a minimum of 20 minutes of the contaminant is not known. Question 3. What fluid used for washing? Answer. Potable water or preserved water or preserved buffer saline solution or 100% sterling saline emergency eyewash stations and another medically accepted solutions. Question 4. Should the material of the emergency eyewash be kept away from the light? Answer. There is no need to store in the light effect because the body is made from polyethylene. It can protect from concentrated chemicals, withstand the sun and withstand the rain well. Question 5. What factor should be considered when choosing an installation location? Answer. Emergency eyewash must be installed within 30 meters. in the event of an accident, they must be accessible for no more than 10 seconds, and the installed part must not be obstructed by objects. Troubleshooting. Question 1. What to do when the device is available in an emergency? The most common cause is hot water nozzles. Answer. Fix by removing the filter to clean. If the obstruction is found, remove it and clean it ready for use as recommended by the manufacturer or distributor. Question 2. How do we solve the problem of germ accumulation after use? Answer. When cleaning an eyewash station, use a simple solution of household detergent and hot water. Apply the solution to the unit with a soap sponge or cloth before rinsing thoroughly, making sure to smooth away any remaining soap residues. Question 3. If the angle of the eyewash nozzle does not meet the standard, how to fix it? Answer. To solve that problem, consider checking the standard and reliability of the product, and measuring the water level and degree of water supply as recommended by the standard by using a test device such as an eyewash gauge. Question 4. When using an emergency eyewash, visual inspection is required to determine if water needs to be repaired. Answer. Yes, these are factory sealed cartridges containing eyewash solutions are available. These products have shelf life well over preservative solutions and are significantly easily to maintain. The last one, question 5. If we have used the eyewash regularly every time we use it, sometimes the substance that we dilute when we wash our eye, when we are done using it, may build up sediment, which may cause bacteria. How to prevent it? Answer. The solution is for us to buy preservative bacteriostatic use because this substance is useful in help prevent the growth of bacteria in every washing tank, which must be filled with clean water and preservative as specified by the preservative manufacturer.
And the last topic is corporate contact information. Manufacturer Sovereign Eye and Face Protection. Address 825 East Highway 151 Platteville, Wisconsin 53818 US. Emergency telephone 1-800-336-3255. Information telephone 1-800-543-4842. Date prepare June 1609.